3 years ago, I started tech, and if you are in the category of those that couldn't afford a mentor to teach you some of the things, of course, you went and started doing your research online and you wanted to learn this thing. I am here to talk to newbies that are also starting out in tech. If you don't know where to start with, I have resources that I'm going to show you in this video. Now, I would like you to pay very close attention to this video because those resources I will show you are what helped me when I was learning it all by myself. I can recall asking a particular person to mentor me, and he was saying that at least I should bring up to 1 million so that he can mentor me, and then I didn't have that money. But of course, do not underrate the work of a mentor, because a mentor will help you to move faster and you get to where you want to get to with his help, because the road is a little bit shorter than you think. Now, me as a self-taught, the road is so long, but I believe everything begins with a step, and within the next 5 years, added to the 3 years that I have, let's see where I get to. And the first on our list is MDN Docs. Now, I cannot overemphasize on how this particular resource has been very helpful, or was very helpful to me when I started out. Like, it basically tells you or explains to you in details or in brief of whatever you fail to understand. Now, for those that don't know, they have been here for over 20 years now, and this is one of the best resources out there. They have from JavaScript, they have from HTML to CSS, JavaScript, whatever you might be looking for, web APIs, whatever you might be looking to learn, you can get started with MDN Docs. I highly recommend you use this particular resource when you are starting out. And of course, the second on our list is CSS Tricks. And for CSS lovers, this is a very good option to get started with. I usually come here when I forget the name of a property, because I am already used to Tailwind CSS at the moment of making this video. So at times I forget a lot of vanilla CSS. So when you hear somebody talking of vanilla CSS, this is exactly what they are talking about. The original form of CSS, no Tailwind, no bootstraps. Now, what do CSS Tricks have? Now, CSS Tricks has articles that people post talking about a particular topic in CSS. Well, depending on whatever you're looking for, you might see it here. Most people post their resources and articles. Now, the best part of it is they have a place called Almanac, and Almanac consists of selectors, properties, pseudo selectors, attributes, and functions. If you want to also talk about properties, they have a section where they talk about CSS properties, and when you browse through it, you can see different types of properties and how they are being used, and from there you get used to their teachings and become good at CSS. The third on our list is the Odin project, and this is a game changer because they have everything from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And surprisingly, you can choose whatever part you want to choose. If we explore the curriculum the Odin project presents, they have organized courses for full stack development, and they have for full stack Ruby on the Rails. Whatever topic you want to choose, you explore through it, and you start taking the course by opening the course over here. Now, this resource is a very good one, as they bring out exercises you do at the end of each topic. They make their stuffs very understandable and comprehensive to go with. The fourth on our list is a very popular one, which is called the W3 School. And the W3 School also helped me while starting out, especially when I had to deal with HTML. They are very good at explaining topics in HTML, and aside the topics they teach, they also have a preview editor where you can preview whatever code that you you inserted in the code editor. So for example, if I click on try it yourself, I'm entering another page that is some sort of a browser, that inbuilt browser that shows you real life code of what you are trying to do. Sometimes I make reference to one topic or the other over their navigation bar. All the languages are being mentioned, what they can teach you. They have it all. So W3 Schools is a platform not to neglect. And last but not the least, we have a platform that focuses mainly on those that have gone through the basic of JavaScript, especially because while taking this course, they start immediately from the introduction to React. They don't start from JavaScript or whatever. So this platform is mainly for those in the intermediate level, and that is me and you. Their courses comprise of a step-by-step guide on how the fundamentals of web application is, how to communicate with a server, testing Express servers, users administration, testing React apps. So they are good because they have a very comprehensive step-by-step guide, and they make sure they provide coding samples so that you have an idea of what they are teaching. You might want to check it out too. Now, all these resources, you can read them by yourself from 1 to 10, and you might not go through all of it, but you can choose to decide on where you want to get started by making your decision and choosing the one that is more preferable to you and your time frame. Any of these resources will work very well for you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that when next I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. Ciao.